Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel RLC. Today's session will study on circuit or network terminology. Let us take an example. Circuit consists of resistors and voltage sources. So the first term, elements. Elements we already studied earlier. Elements are resistors, capacitor, inductor, and it can be any sources, voltage source or current source which are present in the circuit are called as elements. In our example, R1, resistor R2, R4 and R3 voltage source belongs to an elements. Okay. Next is node. Two or more circuit elements are joined. For example, node A, I am taking A point where V is a voltage source, one element, and R1 is another element. Both are, there is a two elements so connected to a common point called as A. So node A is a node. Similarly, B, three elements are connected. C is a node, two elements are connected. And I am going to take all D, E, F or the common point as E. So E is a node where it is connected three elements. Okay. So next is, so A, B, C and E are the nodes. Next, junction. Very important. Three and more circuit elements are joined or connected. We can say, see node A, that is this point cannot be a junction because it consists of only two elements. We can go with junction B is a junction because all the three elements are connected. It's a more than two elements, right? C cannot be a junction because only two elements. So E is a junction. I'm going to take D, E, F as common. So voltage source R4, R3 are connected. So E is a junction. Next is branch that lies between the two nodes. The element which lies between the two nodes. For example, AB is a node, right? So which is the element belongs to it? R1. So R1 is a branch. Next, similarly, B and C, the elements belong to it is R2. Similarly, CE and the branches is R1 and R4 and similarly V. Next is closed path. Closed path means we can say there is no open circuit, only closed circuit. So how many closed circuits are there here? Two closed circuits. So we can say loop. A, B, E, F is a loop 1 and B, C, D, E is loop 2. And we have one more loop, that is outer loop, that is loop 3. A, B, C, D, E, F. A. So how many loops? 3 loops. Okay. Next we'll go with mesh. Mesh is also a loop but which cannot be divided further. Means there is no inner loop. For example, if you take L1 is not divided, right? L2 also don't have any inner loops. The outer loop we can say is not a mesh because it has two loops inside, right? That is what the mesh. Is it clear? Okay. I hope you all like my video. In the next session, I'll be explaining loop analysis and mesh analysis. Please like my channel. If not subscribed, please subscribe and click on the bell button for the further notification. And thank you. You can follow us on social medias as well as you can refer notes from our website www.rlc-aaa.com, and all our videos links are given in the description. You can watch it.